Hi everybody, welcome back No Madness Adventures. Alright, so here's what we're doing today.
This is just a test piece.
It's a test piece. We're doing a bend here and then going straight up to the top.
Not straight, but to another bend.
Well, right. On an angle, but
So this needs to be what, 36?
34.
34?
So what we're doing is we're trying to figure out where do we want the bend. And I figured if this is going to be the kitchen, we would want the bend right at the height of the kitchen counter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Or the bottom of the countertop.
Well, the countertop will go on it. That's why I said 34, and that'll take us to 36 if we do 34. I gotta get up here. Oh my gosh. So if I'm standing here, yeah, we're gonna, yeah, we want the bend to be at 34. And then, yeah, the countertop will be like another inch or so.
I don't know.
Are you gonna try to, oh, I see you are. You're gonna try to round the top a little?
I don't know, man.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
So what we've got so far
It
here's...
depends how things, like, come together. You know?
Right. Here's where the emergency window will be. The bed will be above it. Oh, man. Okay, so the bed will be above it, up here, and then we're going to bring the bed down. So then the window, the emergency window, you'll be able to see it if you're sitting on the couches, right? And then when you lower the bed, you'll be able to see it. So you'll still be able to see it with the bed above it, and then you'll be able to see out the window with the bed brought down. I mean, this is our thought process. We're kind of going by the look of the outside of the old Terry, Terry, travel trailer. That's kind of the look and the shape we're going with. So I will keep you guys updated when we get all the pieces cut and kind of see what it looks like. What you doing? Oh, that looks good. I like the angle.
Okay.
That looks really good, honey. Wow. Master crafter. All right, that's gonna look good. I know, it's getting warm.
Put a little Loctite on there.
I did all that and it wasn't even recording. I can't with myself. All right, let's start over. So this is the shape. There's the other shape. I'll show you from this angle. This is what we decided on for the front. And we are gonna shave down that corner and round it. Yeah, I mean, just a slight curve. It won't be like a pointy edge, right? Isn't that gonna look good?
That's not a door.
No, we know. We know the door's gonna be over there. So here inside will be your kitchen counter, right? It's gonna also go to that edge.
Hamburgers and hot dogs.
Or a food cart, whatever it ends up being. So there will be the kitchen counter and it'll go to the edge too. We might build just a small, like, shelving or pantry right there. And then up here we'll be able to do cupboards above. And then the rectangle window will go right here in the center, and we'll have a window there, and probably not a window there because we're gonna build like a little storage. We'll know once we get the walls and the roof on. He's just finishing up that side. Did you need your drill?
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys. I'll be back when we get more accomplished. Bye, guys. So we're gonna go tomorrow and look at more windows. We're going back to Bontrager's. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it is a hot one. All right, guys. I think I'll add on to this video another trip to Bontrager's for more windows. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we didn't go to Bontrager's because he was working on this all day and we got too tired. So there's the front. And we're not sure if we like this window. We just clamped it there to see. But I don't know if I like it. Guess we'll figure it out. So it looks pretty good, doesn't it? I like the angle of the front. And we're gonna round it. And then we're gonna round the sides so water, you know, doesn't pool up on the top. That's for another day, people. All right, that's it for today. Until next weekend, right, honey?
Sure.
All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.